A happy morning to the dignitaries, parents, and my dear students. It's a very special day in your life as you start your journey to accomplish your life goals. I am happy to take you for a virtual campus tour and highlight the significance of this prestigious institution. So, be watchful and enjoy this campus tour. Annai Violet College was established in the year 1997 by Nesarathinam Educational Trust with the supreme aim to stimulate students to seek, strive, and succeed in the intensely dynamic world. The college has made its mark in the Guinness Book of World Records in the year 2012 and 2013. It is also ISO certified and re-accredited with an excellent grade of B++ by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC) for the overall best functioning. There are 15 undergraduate programs, 4 postgraduate programs, and 1 research program in our college. The college provides 4 certificate courses offered by University of Madras and 2 diploma courses by Bharat Seva Samaj approved by the government of Tamil Nadu. Students are encouraged to enroll in online certificate courses offered by MHRD like NPTEL, SWAYAM and MOOC. Since 2019, the college effectively functions as a learner support center for University of Madras. With great pride, I mention that this college is one among the 3 colleges who are selected to be a study center for CMA course offered for the commerce stream of students. The institution stands tall, appointing well qualified and dedicated teachers to impart holistic education. The college houses laboratories for science departments, language lab for English department, and well-established library with holding more than 10,000 printed books, 31 lakh e-books, and 6,000 e-journals. Each department has been provided with a smart classroom which enables to have not just board-oriented lectures but with supporting visuals for every subject. Despite the unfortunate pandemic situation last year, students have been engaged in online classes through Google Suite platform. Exam and other such assessments too were held online to match the new normal. Our campus is Wi-Fi enabled with 150 Mbps. We are happy to inform you that we have a well-organized placement cell functioning offline and online mode to make the students placed in government and non-government sectors. Students come out in flying colors every year, obtaining university ranks. So far, we have 48 university ranks. Students can avail government scholarships. We have strong athletics team, cricket academy, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi for men and women, indoor games facility like chess and table tennis, and outdoor gym facility. Free transport facility is provided for girl students from Pataravakkam railway station. Our institution has a wonderful cafeteria for students to relish and relax. Each department has a club to nurture the extracurricular and co-curricular activities of the students. To mention a few, YRC, NSS, Women's Cell, Consumer Cell, Counseling Cell, Fine Arts Club, Student Forum, Eco Club, ED Cell, Sports and Health Club, etc. Every year, our institution hosts Literaria, interdepartmental event, Viofest, a mega cultural intercollegiate event, basketball tournament, inter-school event, and athletics meet for college students. Hope you got an insight about this prestigious Annai Violet College where you are going to be graduated. Wishing you to have a bright future. Thank you.